beautiful Port Aransas. Had a great time. It's a beautiful place. We never even knew this place existed, huh? We knew about Corpus Christi and yeah, South Padre. I can't even remember. I didn't know much about this area. Very beautiful place to come to. Looks like there's a ton of hotels and campsites and. Turn on.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
Anyway, we're gonna go over here, get some fuel. We're not gonna drive straight back to Houston. I mean, back to, where are we going?
City. We're running to Surfside tonight.
Yeah, we're going to Surfside.
Surfside tonight.
I can't remember anything. Like,
You don't have to.
Yeah.
I got you. You remember how to cook. I'll remember all the rest of the stuff.
it's been a great time. I'm so happy and thankful that they let us come with us. And like, you gotta stop cooking and cleaning. I was like, well, we gotta do something, right?
Enjoy yourself.
Anyway, headed to Surfside. Gonna bring you guys along for the trip. We gotta get some fuel. We filled up earlier, but we made a few pleasure runs in the evening with some guests. Man, that is a big ship. Fishing boat. And we'll be out here. I'll be out here again, but in East Matagorda Bay with my buddy Rick. Okay, mission complete. We're off. Here goes the dolphin. As soon as you put the cameras up, they disappear though. A lot of dolphins right here.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be.
Well, it looks like we're home for tonight. Nice little boat over there, huh? That's a clean boat, isn't it? 600 horsepower. Man, those are cool motors. 350. 700 horse. I asked him, I said, how you get them in the water? He said he's got a big forklift inside here. You just grab it and put it in.
That one have 4.
Wow, that's a big boat too. Look at all those rod holders all the way around.
4.
Wow, that is so,
Wow.
that's a lot of money. That's my style right there. Right there. That's a big jet ski. It's a cool little boat, huh? Oh, it's a nice clean boat. He just put his stuff up and went, left. He said flounder's running right over here. We can clean them right here. I don't think they want fish in the house. Okay, come on, baby. I'm gonna catch you a sweet bass.
I thought you not hold it there. You keep dropping things.
Okay, maybe that's. Come on, baby. I need your help. I need you to hold the net.
Everybody dance. You gotta lose yourself in wild romance. Going to party, carnival, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing all night long, all night long, all night long. People dancing all in the street. See the ribbon all in their feet. Life is good, it's wild, it's sweet. Let the music play on.
Good morning. We are leaving this morning. I'm going to continue this video. If you guys are interested, we're going to go through Galveston Bay. And I think we're going to go over the Galveston Causeway on between the Galveston Island and Galveston, and then we're going to go up into Clear Lake is where we're parking the boat, and just going to clean it up. But I want to bring you guys to show you a little bit of the beautiful ride. It's a nice clear day. Actually, it's really cool temperature this morning. We got up and it's like, holy crap, it's a cold front. It was about 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, a bunch of little fishes down there. Anyway, had a great time. I hope you enjoyed the little boating trip. I don't know if we're going to do one again. We have thoughts and plans maybe to do some little festival in Galveston at the end of our little tour here in the US, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, got to get that thing back and get it cleaned up, huh? Got about a 4-hour ride this morning.
We go to party, lining, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing it long. All night long. All night. All night long. All night. All night long. All night. All night long. You can't start and you can't sit down. Come join the party, it's a merry-go-round. Everyone's dancing their troubles away. Come join the party, see how it plays. We're gonna have a party all night long, all night, all night long, all night, all night long, all night, all night long, all night. Everyone you meet, everybody's jamming in the street all night long. I said to everyone you meet, everybody's jamming in the street all night long. Feel good. I said, everybody's jamming in the street. Everybody's feeling that I all night long. I said,
Well, it's the end to a wonderful, awesome trip and an awesome day. How refreshing is that? I can't swim. Oh wait, I can float. Never mind.
That's funny, you won't put the camera down and swim. It's all about the shot. And not the kind of arm.
This is the end of the luxury boat tour. I want to thank you guys so much for inviting us. We had such an awesome time.
Thank you for coming.
We're gonna probably be going back out, I think, at the end of the month, as long as we're still here. There's a slight possibility we might be leaving early, but I don't think so. I think our time of leaving is gonna be perfect timing to get back in Thailand, so. Anyway, we'll see you. I don't know what my video is gonna be next, if I'm gonna do another one between now and San Antonio, but I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, we'll see you then on whatever the next video is gonna be. Bye.